Hi everybody, I'm Richard from Small Caliber Arms Review, and typically I do gun reviews on here and kind of really wanted to stay out of politics on this channel and only do gun reviews. But there's some things going on that might impact my ability to do gun reviews. If you've paid much attention in the news, there's been a lot of stuff going on in Virginia and a few other states. These governors are wanting to enforce or enact new gun laws. Gun registration and gun confiscation too. You've seen it in the news. You've seen politicians claiming, they want to take your guns.
Hell yes, we're going to take your AR-15, your AK-47. We're not going to allow it to be used against our fellow Americans anymore.
But you know what? Over the years, I've always heard, oh, politicians, these politicians, they don't want to take your guns. Nobody wants to take your guns. You can have your guns. That's not true. There's so many people out there that want to take your guns.
So to gun owners out there who say, well, a Biden administration means they're going to come for my guns.
Bingo. You're right if you have an assault weapon.
And you're only hearing about the ones that are making that public. There's a lot of people out there who haven't come out on camera or in recordings or in writings saying that they want to take your guns, but they do. They want to take your guns. So pay attention to the news and look into, if you're not already a member of NRA or the National Association of Gun Rights, there's a lot of organizations out there who are banding together, getting a lot of members together to help fight for your rights to keep firearms. And that's what it's going to take. It can't be just one person to go up there and say, hey, you're not taking our guns. Okay, we won't take them then. It takes a group of us, and a very large group, because it's a battle out there, for our rights, and they are our rights. They're not privileges. We have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. So if you want to use a firearm to defend your right of life and liberty, get one if you don't already have one. Most of the people that are watching this, if you're subscribed to my channel, then the chances are really good that you're already kind of on my side. At least I hope you are anyways. And we don't want to lose the rights to have firearms. And it doesn't matter what kind of firearm it is, what it looks like. It doesn't matter. They do the same thing. The caliber, there's talking about getting rid of certain calibers because they're more deadly than others, but they're leaving some of the bigger calibers out of there. So, we need to fight for our right to keep our firearms. Regardless of what anybody says, when they tell you nobody wants to take your guns, yes, they do. Well, they only want to take certain ones, the more deadly ones. They're all just as deadly. It is up to the individual how they use it. And a law-abiding citizen has never committed a crime with a firearm. That's a guarantee. By definition, a law-abiding citizen has never committed a crime with a firearm. And when they enact these laws, when they enforce these laws, the only person that they are harming is the law-abiding citizen. Because criminals, they don't care about the laws. You can make as many laws as you want. The first 10 laws, and one of those says, thou shalt not kill. But they violate that law. They don't care. Murder has been illegal since the beginning of time, as far as I know, but still they violate it. And it doesn't matter if it's a gun or a rock or a hammer or a knife, it doesn't matter. A criminal does not care about your laws. The Second Amendment was given to us as a right in the founding of this country, and it gives us the right to keep and bear firearms because we want to be able to resist an oppressive or tyrannical government. That's what they were given to us for. Some people don't like to hear that, and some people say, well, there's no way a bunch of, rednecks with guns can, take on the United States government. Well, it's not going to be just a bunch of rednecks with guns, and hopefully it never comes down to that. Hopefully we can defeat them at the ballot box. We can defeat them in their legislation and keep them from enacting things like this. It happens in other countries. It's already happened in other countries. In Australia, a BB gun is considered a Class 2 weapon that you have to have a special license to own. Airsoft guns are not allowed in Australia. Fireworks are not allowed. Now, how do I know this? Because I have viewers on my channel that have put these comments in here and saying, enjoy your Second Amendment right in your country. Don't give up your guns because it's happened here and it's not a good thing. Now, as a gun channel on YouTube, I don't make my living doing this channel. It's a hobby for me, and I would like to be able to get whatever gun it is I want to review. But if these gun control measures are enacted and pushed, what is my channel going to be like? Hi everybody, welcome back to Small Caliber Slingshot Review. I'm Richard, and today we're going to be taking a look at what came in this box from China. We can't make them in the United States anymore because things have been outlawed here, but this is a slingshot, a wrist rocket, if you will. This one is all cool and black and tactical and is extremely deadly. It's got this cool 3-band strap on it here. It's got a flashlight, or you could put a laser on the bottom. Also on the wrist strap here, it's got a high capacity BB magazine that holds all your rounds. Okay, I'm good, sorry.
Remember, people, only the government can have weapons. We're just following the law.
Anyways, if you like this video, hit this button over here to subscribe. Hit this button to check out some of my other videos. Thanks for watching. Small Caliber Slingshot Review.
Stop it!
Oh, God, let's hope that never happens. Anyways, if you could, hit this button up here to check out some of the other videos on my channel. Hit this button over here to subscribe if you haven't already. And thanks for watching Small Caliber Arms Review. Get out there, vote, join an organization. Thank you.